What's the meaning of animateur? Animateur. 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 Animateur.
Animateur is a French word that means animator or facilitator in English. An animateur is someone who leads or guides a group of people through activities or discussions, often in an educational or recreational setting. They typically encourage participation and engagement by creating a lively and interactive atmosphere. The role of an animateur is to help foster growth and development within the group they are working with, by providing support and guidance as needed. Overall, an animateur is a skilled facilitator who helps create a positive and dynamic group experience.